6 states that you should have happy math, and controllers and joints should be zeroed out. First reason controllers being zeroed out is a kindness to your animator. So if I'm animating away, working on this rig, and then I mess the pose up, or who knows, totally hose it. There we go, totally hosed, thus boned. There we go, and I want to reset this. Let me select all these controllers, and if we did what we're supposed to do, I can zero out, translates, and rotates, and I'm back to the neutral position. Absolutely you want to do that for your animator. Now, the next thing you want to make sure is that your skeletons are also zeroed out. Now, in older versions of mine and other books, I've noticed that it's bad juju to freeze rotations on your joints, but I've not had any issues, so I carry on and do it. I like to have these beautiful zeros. Look at that. You'll always have translate information. Joints have to know where they exist, but you can rotate your joints and then zero them out. Same difference, but just in the rotation. But of course, you won't let your animator have your joint, right? You don't share your joints with your animator, never ever. You'll have those locked and hidden. But for to make your own life happy and to keep math creepage from happening, make sure that those are zeroed out. And you can also, of course, assume preferred angle. And we know later on in life when you're doing IK handles that setting preferred angle is imperative to get beautiful rotations when you're putting in IK handles. So there is rule number 6.